Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Poco F1 and today I will show you how you can add widgets to your home screen. You have to click and hold on the home screen, then click on the widgets below. Right now you can apply widget that you want to get on your home screen. For example, I'm going to go for the calculator. So click on it. As you can see right now, calculator appears on the screen. When you go back, it will be attached to the screen. So here we can make simple math. We can move that widget for another screen. So we have to click, hold, and then drag it for the right, for example. If you click and hold it normally, you can just move it, or you can remove by swiping to the right upper corner. And that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.